Hello guys, Suresh here. Welcome back to Automation eLearn. So guys, we are in part 3 of our discussion how to revert the changes or file while working on Git. So before that we have discussed two other topics like how to revert the changes from Git working area and how to revert the changes from Git staging area. Today I'm going to discuss like how to revert the changes after we perform commit operation. So what does it means is I want to revert my commit itself. So guys, here as you can see I am on master branch of my Git repository, and it has a couple of commits. So for the demo purpose I perform 3 commits, and my purpose is to revert the commit itself. Suppose I want to revert the recent commit or recent 2 commits, then these two will be the commits that we want to revert. So guys, before we see them in action, let me explain you a couple of concepts here, because when we revert the commit, so this commit has some changes, right? So when we say like I want to revert my commit, so where this commit will go then, because this particular commit has certain changes. As a part of this commit we have updated couple of files, so where that changes will go then. So let me see what this particular commit contains. For example, git show commit id, and I just want to see the file name which got updated as a part of this particular commit. So here as you can see, both my m1 and m2 files has been updated. So when I will revert this commit, so where this file will go? So there are different places where I can move these files. So first let's understand what are the possible options that we have to move these files once we revert our commit. So this is a high level architecture of Git. So we start working in the working area, we modify our files, and then we use git add command to add files to staging area, and from there once we perform git commit, so we commit the changes to my local repository. From here I want to revert that particular commit. So there are 3 ways to revert the commit from your local repository, and we will also see the options like once we revert the commit, so what we can do with the changes, what we can do with the files that were part of that commit. So while reverting the commit, we have to decide where I want to keep those files. So there are 3 options. First, you can revert the commit and move all the files to git staging area, and if you do git status, then those files will be shown in a green. It means we removed the commit and moved all the files to my staging area. This is the first option. Second option is like, okay, I want to revert commit and move those files to git working area, so that can be another option. And the third option is like, once we revert the commit, I don't want to retain those changes neither in staging area nor in working area, so I will discard those changes straight away. So these are the 3 options to revert the commit. For example, if I want to move my files to working area, then I need to use mixed mode. So basically there are 3 modes of reset. One is mixed, another one is soft, and third one is hard. So when we do mixed mode, so it will revert the changes and move the files to working area. If I'll do soft reset, then it will revert the commit and files will be moved to my staging area. And if I'll use hard reset, then my files will be permanently discarded. So we'll see those 3 options in action. So as of now in my repository I have 3 commits, and for example I want to revert my recent commit, which is this one ending with 475. Let's first understand mixed mode. So git reset mixed head -1. So by using this command I'm asking git to reset head to previous head. So before I made third commit, this was my head, right? And once we perform third commit, so head moved to this particular commit. So here if we will remove this commit, then head should be shifted to this particular commit ending with F50. So here I am saying like reset head to previous head, like I want to revert the recent one commit, and I'm using mixed mode. It means all the files which were part of this particular commit will be moved to my working area. So let's see, and let me first check status. So now these two files are in my working area, that's why we are seeing them in red. And let's also check log, and here if you see, my head is now pointing to F50 commit, F50, and we don't have that third commit now. By using mixed mode, we revert the commit and moved all the files to working area. So let me clear the screen. Okay, coming back to this command. So even though if we will not mention the mode here, so by default it will be mixed mode. So even though if we will not mention, it will perform the same thing, and it will move all the files to working area only. So now let's check status. Okay, let me add those again so that we can have few commits. Okay, and yeah, now again we have third commit. Now let's understand soft reset. So git reset soft head tilde 1. So here again I am asking git to reset the head to previous commit, and it is a soft reset. It means the file will be moved to my staging area in the git. So if I'll check status, then these two files are showing in green, means these two are in my staging area, and git log will show you like, okay, so second commit is now head. So this is how we can use soft mode to reset the commit, and here we need to mention soft, it will not take by default. So let's understand now hard mode. So in my repository we have two commits, so let me reset this particular commit. So I can use git reset hard head -1. So again here I'm asking git to reset head to previous commit, and it is a hard reset. So the files which are part of this particular commit F50 would not be retained, it will be deleted permanently. So let's see. Okay, so it is giving message like head is now pointing to 677 commit, which is this one. I can check log again, and 677 is now head. Second commit is removed. Let's check status. So I don't have anything neither in my working area nor in my staging area, because the files which are part of this commit is removed permanently. So hard reset is very dangerous command. So if you are very sure like, okay, we don't need the changes as a part of particular commit, then only you should use hard reset. So let's review the commands once again. Like we use mixed mode to revert the commit, and files were moved to my working area. And in case of soft reset, file were moved to my staging area. And if I don't want to retain the changes, don't want to retain the files, then we can use hard reset. So now the question may come like when to use what type of reset. So here as you can see, mixed will move my file to working area. So if I want to further modify the files, then you can use mixed mode, because files were moved to working area and from there we can modify the files. Soft reset we can use if you want to change your commit message, or you want to include few more files as a part of that particular commit, then you can use soft reset. Hard reset is useful if you don't want to retain commit and the files updated as a part of that commit. So completely if you want to discard that commit and the related files, then you can use hard reset. So that concludes our third topic, reverting the commit, and next topic would be like how we can revert the changes once we perform push operation. So that we will see in the next video. So guys, please follow the commands, do some practical for better understanding, and let me know in the comment section in case of any question or any doubts. Thank you.